new clubhouse. Hangars over there. And it's a new one where I am. One aircraft in it. Quite a nice aircraft that, not quite sure what it is. It's got adjustable trailing leading edges, apart from ailerons and flaps. Nice little aircraft. And there is the entrance. One of the entrances to Hangar 25. There it is. That's mine. There's a little microlight just right next to it. They're popping about on. There's the runway. And there's the other entrance to Hangar 25. And as I've always done before, look at that for a view. A few modelers out there today flying their radio control aircraft, I see. Just see them in the distance. There's a little model flying club there. That's probably the chap that runs it, checking that everything's alright in these difficult times. That what I would call tit just there in World War II, there used to be a flag put on there. That's what the Americans used to use for their live firing practices during World War II. And as you look below this clump of trees, when they left from a reliable source, everything they had, including vehicles, gear and all sorts, was buried there, and then they planted the trees on top of it before they left. Quite interesting actually, because if you think that one Sherman tank, no matter what state it's in, if it was recovered, would be worth on average £150,000. So why aren't you digging, Binsey? Anyway, that's it. I'm going inside to the workshop, have a little look about, and cheerio.